Hey guys, it's Kima and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I do an at-home facial so I can be refreshed for a new week. I'm starting off with the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser to get any dirt off my face. My skin has been super dry since the weather is changing and my eczema usually acts up around this time of year, so it was definitely time for an at-home facial session. Before I dried my face, you can actually see all the peach fuzz, but no worries because I'm going to dermaplane a little bit later on. I'm going to shape my brows first using the Sally Hansen Hair Remover Wax Strips for your face. I've been using these strips for years and I absolutely love them. One box usually lasts me pretty long since I only use them for my eyebrows. I'm going to start by cutting the strip in half. By doing this, it usually helps me to get a straight edge on the top of my brows and then on the tail of my eyebrows as well. Combing my brow hairs up helps me to see which pieces are too long so that when I apply the strips, I'm not actually taking out a full strand of hair. Now I'm going to apply the strips and I'm going to pull in the opposite direction that my hair is growing. Waxing the tail of your brow can be kind of tricky, especially if you have sparse brows like mine. So I usually just take a brow pen or pencil and I will map out the area where I usually fill in the tails of my brow. Now to wax this area, I will take the strip and cut it into a semicircle kind of shape, and I will fit it to the curve that I drew. So lastly, I just go in with my tweezers and find any little hairs that didn't get picked up, pluck them out, and good to go. Before dermaplaning, I'm plucking any chin hairs just to avoid any possible ingrowns. This is something I used to be super insecure about, but I've learned over the years it's just a hormonal imbalance and that plenty of us deal with similar issues. Because I have dry skin, I'm going in with the Good Molecules Pure Cold Press Rosehip Seed Oil, which will help me get a smoother shave. I don't want to dermaplane on dry skin because I feel like I'm more likely to nick myself. This oil helps to brighten, plump, and also keep the skin hydrated. The razor that I'm using I got from Amazon. It's one of those like barber razors. I chose this razor because in the past I used to use the cheaper Dermaplane razors that are on the market, and for some reason it completely irritated my skin. Don't know why, but I have not had any issues with this razor so far. To start dermaplaning, you want to hold and stretch the skin taut and hold your blade on an angle and work in small sections, and do not apply too much pressure. You want the razor to just glide. The purpose of this is just to take off the top layer of dead skin and any hairs. By doing this, you will help your skincare products get into your skin a little bit better, and the part that I love the most is it gives your makeup a smoother finish. Now I'm just going to cleanse my face one more time to get all of that excess oil and dirt off. Now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Cookies and Clean Detox Face Mask. This is supposed to help improve the texture of your skin. It has these little charcoal beads in it that as you rub, they burst. And I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes. I got the mask all wiped away, I'm going in with my normal skincare. This is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Serum, just to add moisture back into my skin. Once the serum is all absorbed into my skin, I'm going in with the Ordinary's moisturizing cream. After I apply the moisturizer, I'm going in with a 100% vitamin E oil. My skin sucks up the moisturizer so easily. I have to go in with an oil as the last step. This oil is so thick, but it actually does keep my skin moisturized throughout the day. I love when I can find products to give me that glass look kind of skin. Using a moisturizer alone doesn't always do it for me, so I have to look for thicker creams or oils. And lastly, I decided to go in with some Falscara strips. I tried these one time before and I liked the result, but honestly, your girl was struggling today. I don't know what was going on, but I tried a different glue, different tweezers, and it took me a minute. So maybe I just need some more practice, but here are the final results. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.